Hi everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make this groundhog that can peep out of the ground in celebration of Groundhog's Day. So we've got some grass, a groundhog, and on the other side we have a cute little poem. Here's a little groundhog, furry and brown. He's popping up to look around. If he sees his shadow, down he'll go. Then 6 more weeks of winter. Oh no! There he is! For this project, you can go to the library and pick up this kit all ready for you. Inside this kit, we have a long piece of green for the grass, a popsicle stick, your poem, the blue background for the poem, your groundhog, and your cup. From home, you're going to need some of your own supplies. You'll need a pair of scissors and an adult to help you, a crayon, and some tape. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to color my groundhog. You can color your groundhog whatever color you want, just has to be special. Like this one here is all sorts of different colors. I'm going to make mine simple and I'm just going to use a round crayon. Now my groundhog is finished. I'm going to grab my scissors and cut him out now. Now with your popsicle stick, you're going to tape it onto his back. You don't want it to be too high, otherwise he won't be tall enough to stick out of the grass. So we're going to make it a little bit lower right there. Grab some tape. And there's our groundhog. Now we need to cut out our poem so that it can fit on this blue piece of paper. Alright, now it fits. I could use a glue stick or some tape. I'm just going to use some tape to tape this down. Alright, so we've got our poem and our groundhog. Now it's time to make our grass. So we're going to take our green long strip of paper, and I'm going to take my scissors and just do lots of little tiny snips all across. You can have it be short snips or it can be longer ones. Snip, 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 snip. Snip, 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 snip. Alright, this part's a little bit tricky. You're gonna want to glue your grass onto your cup, or tape it too. Just like that. You want to make sure that the grass sticks up above the rim of the cup. So first I'm going to add a little bit of tape right here. Now some on the back too. Now our grass is nice and ready. So you're going to take your groundhog and you're going to poke a tiny hole right in there. Pop! There he is. Now I can pull him down. He's hiding and oh, there he is. Time to add our poem. I'm going to put the poem on the opposite side of the groundhog. So it's by his back. That way, when I show my friends and family my groundhog, I can read the poem to them while they're looking at the front of the groundhog. So a piece of tape right there. one on each side. Let's see how he is. Pop! Pop! Happy Groundhog's Day! Be sure to come to the library and pick out some good, funny groundhog books. See you later!